So, oh, those are the rock houses.
Yeah, you said then. That's right for you to go up that way.
And
Oh, and then it's got this.
these are the sandstone, Devonian sandstone. I see a lot of crossbedding, but these sandstone have been formed in the desert, or have they formed in a shallow delta environment? It's good to speculate. That's the geology of the Kinver Edge sandstone, Devonian Age. We are going to the rock houses. Are these the rock houses this way? Or is that on? Oh yeah, that's the gate. Car park. Is it private or national trust? Car park Hilford. Oh, look at the rock face. They're so smooth. Okay, National Trust members can go. Welcome to Rock Houses, Tea Room and Gardens. Please buy a ticket or show your NT card. I have yours. Ah. Kinver Edge rock houses, and they have an allotment here. So we are going to have a visit here, see the Kinver Edge allotment site. This belongs to the National Trust, of course.
Where did she tell you?
And we can go from that side of the house probably. That's the entry to the rock houses. And there is allotment also. You have to be careful. The steps are steep. Middle level of rock houses. Okay, you cannot go there, but we are going toward the allotments, which is continuing down there. It's refreshing to see an allotment without bindweed. You cannot go there. Okay, yeah. So far, no bindweed, just ivy. Oh, here, allotment and the rock house. Hold your horses. This exit is now closed. You can leave via the tea room. Just turn right to get to the car park. Thank you.
Okay. No
I want to see the allotment. Allotment. I want us to make a video about the allotment.
I'm going to be locking up down here, so how long will you be?
5 minutes.
Go along and have a quick look, no problem.
Thank you.
Be locking up.
Thank you. Okay, rhubarbs. And what is inside this clutch that you made?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Okay, protecting from birds. Means they have a problem with the bird.
Lock down here now.
5 minutes.
Through the gate.
Yeah. Flower bed.
Right, yes, I've said he can check on the allotment.
Oh, lovely. Come on, Susan, if you want. Come on, she's with me. Can she come? Come on. Here's a courgette. This is the, oh, globe artichoke. Red currants. Ah, interesting. And blueberry. Blueberry grows well here because it's sand and acidic soil. Lovely Kinver. And potato. Oh, this is courgette. Courgette as a Kinver rock. A little bit behind us in Hertfordshire. Susan, you can come. Susan. Oh, these have gone to seed. What are they? I don't know. And the peas, these are short top peas, raised bed. Beans are growing now tall. Lots of some broad beans, some sunflower, some onions which have gone into seed. This must have been the lettuces which are now in seed. Oh no, these lettuces are right. This must have been the chard. Oh, that is beet chard, whatever it's called. Perpetual spinach. Wigwams, very narrow, means they don't have much wind, it seems. And a big rhubarb, and a bed for the Jerusalem artichoke, and some again, a mixture of broad beans and potatoes, foxglove, which have now gone into pod, and these are sweet corn with the courgette and cucumber probably, radishes, beetroot, potato. They have done it the Irish way, and that is a tree. I don't know what tree is that. I see some wigwams. They have terraced it, so practically it means the terrace is now on the slope. And I see some sage here, and that's the way to go up. Beautiful. The terrace, 1, 2, 3 almost. 3 terraces. And water bath, I don't know how they bring the water, but here, oh no, that's the compost bin. That's the water bath. And these are made of hedge. So hedge go, I go up from here, huh? Should I? No, that will damage the thing. Lovely allotment. Anything to see here. When you come to this Kinver edge back house, these lettuces are beautiful, like the ones we have. And these are leeks. Beautiful. Beautiful soft fruit section. Ferns, terraced. And raspberries. It's refreshing to see a allotment without bindweed.
Well, it's all looked after by our local people. They come up and do all the allotments.
How the water is? Where they get the water?
The water, well, we fill the tank there, and we've got a water supply at the top.
Oh, okay. How you get it there from here to there?
Hose pipe.
Oh.
So on a Monday when the gardeners come in,
Yes.
fixes up the hose pipe, brings it down, fills that up for the week.
Yes.
So we've got a big tank there for the water.
And with the
then obviously takes the hose pipe back.
with the watering can, you take it there. Ah.
Yes.
You have a problem with the birds, I suppose, when you have covered
Oh yeah,
there.
absolutely, and squirrels.
Really? What you have they are interested in? Hazel.
Sorry?
You must have hazel or nuts that the squirrels are after it, or
Pine.
sweet corn. Oh, they're after the pine kernels. Yeah.
It's full of squirrels around here. And they get in and they have the strawberries from there, so we have to put the netting over it.
And this is your shed or potting shed or something, or no?
These are the actual rock houses that people used to live in.
Oh, and what has happened? What happened to the people who lived here?
They've moved out. Everything is now closed down here. The only exit is through the gate at the back of the tea room.
Yes.
We won't be closing that exit though for another half of an hour at least.
I just wanted to. Can we look in through the window, or is this curtain shut?
And that's the will.
I can open the door up for you quickly.
Okay. I mean, I've been before, but I just wanted to show my son-in-law.
Oh, that will be a privilege to see that.
What time is it open?
4 o'clock.
What time do you open tomorrow?
We're not open on Mondays. We only open on
Oh.
Thursdays, Fridays.
Do you want to have a quick look in, Paul?
Yeah, I wouldn't say no, but
We're only open Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yes, I mean obviously all in darkness now because I've locked up, but basically there was
Activity kit for the
next door through the
thing, our story.
Then
Guidebook
the
£4.
door at the back gets you round to the other cottage, the other side, which is a big double-fronted 1930s one. So there's 2 down here that you can actually view.
Yeah.
This big space used to be 2 rock houses in one, 2 back-to-backs. So the dividing wall has been taken
Oh,
down.
they
So there
live
used to be
bats
2
here.
back-to-backs. That was the bedroom for this house where the bats
What's the
are.
window for the back house?
Wasn't what?
They lived in darkness.
Well, candles and
Oh my
yeah,
God.
yeah.
Yeah.
What was the trade that
They
they
live
did here?
like-
Was it trade?
Originally, they worked in the ironworks down
Yeah.
in Kinver, which closed about 1900.
Right.
And the quarry, this was a sandstone quarry.
Oh.
Oh, was it really hard for the coring? Because they look very soft and it was easy
No,
to even
it's
write.
sandstone, so it is relatively soft, and they built a lot of our churches with it.
Yeah.
Now it's
Really
all-
kind.
Yes,
Oh, it's a
gone.
pleasure.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh yeah, it is nice and cozy. Everything. Beautiful place. Lovely. Oh, that's the way they look. The laundry. They're putting it on a line. I love that. I should take a picture of that. Wait,